We'll guide you through how to save pictures from text messages on Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps somebody went and sent you a picture. Maybe you were out together and you took a photo together, so you want to go and save it. So the picture will then go and end up in your gallery. So without any other further ado, let's go and dive into this. Find this picture that we want to go and save. So what you can do is go and open up messages at the bottom. Then what you want to do is come to the top of messages and you want to go and find it. We can go and open it up just here. And as you can see, here is a picture I went and received. So I want to go and have this saved into my gallery. So what you then need to do is go and tap on it. When you've gone and opened it up, what you need to do is come to the top right here. There you're going to go and find an arrow pointed down into a line. This is essentially a save or download button. So go and tap on it. Then it goes and says once photo saved to your messages stored media, but it should then go and be appearing in your gallery. As you can see, it just went and appeared there. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more. Thank you for watching.